We're going to go ahead and review Snoop Dogg's Treats to Eat 50 Bacon Recipes. Bacon with or without weed. Get it? So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and use my 7-point rating system to rate this book. If you're new to the program here, there is a rating system. I am going to use links in the description. So let's go ahead and get into this book. So first off, do a flip through because the food photography in this one, beautiful. Okay, I can honestly say this is Unc's third cookbook, and he did not disappoint again with the food photography. I appreciate Snoop Dogg for his food photography because in here, usually a lot of food photography has a light background behind it. They don't use a lot of black background, but for Snoop, he gets fun with it. He uses light and some dark backgrounds and macro photography shots that are just so beautiful. Like, look, the pie. Woo! Yes. So I appreciate that for sure for the food photography. Because he's given a different perspective. It's definitely close-up views, but it's not all like bright. It's all, I mean, not all white. It's bright or it's dark or it's something interesting to see. So I love that. Like, ooh, look at this raw. I'm like, oh, that looks good. 10 for food photography. Recipe creativity. Now, this one definitely has ideas of classic recipes. Like, there's cheesecake, but it's burnt cheesecake. And we already know he said with or without weed. So in here, there's some fun ones for sure. So it's definitely creative. Everybody's creative. But there's also stuff that people know, like this is red velvet in here. But it's creative. So for that, we're going to give this one a 9 for step by step. Now, this is a celebrity cookbook, so I'm not expecting him to really like show me step by step how he's making all this, because it's pretty doable. It's pretty doable. It's not a lot of hard steps where you need step by step. So sorry, he's going to get a 0 on that one. It's not his fault though. These are easy. And go with science. Now, he is mixing this one with a lot of different cannabis. There is with and without, like he said. So in here, they did drop a few things on some mixtures. They did, but not full science, but you know, some. So we're going to give them a 3. 3 for that. Because it's not on so much on what the eggs are doing or the flour is doing inside of the oven. It's about the other stuff that he's doing at his fun time. So, okay, let's move on to difficulty. This is definitely you can do at home. All these things you can do at home. I don't see anything that is too hard. Like you're not making any kind of big custards or making any kind of pastry doughs or anything like that. So for difficulty, you can make majority of these items. So I'm going to give it a 10. You can make this book. You can make this book for sure. Nutrition. He didn't drop any calories in here because it's all treats and fun stuff. Drinks, treats, biscuits, you know, other stuff in here. So there's no calories. So he's going to get a 0 for that one. Recipe variations. Now, again, it's with and without cannabis. So there's variations. And he's clear on here. Like, if you want to add, if you don't want to add, he gives you the little bit of breakdown. Like, oh, you can use this instead of this. So, yes, we appreciate that. I'm so happy he put that in this book because it's different. So, we're going to go ahead and give that 9, 10 right there. For Uncle Snoop's third book, I'm going to end on 43 points, which is basically 4 or 5 stars. So, definitely, it's a fun book for sure. If you want to give somebody something fun, if you have the other two books and you want to add this to the collection, make you a little 3-set with Uncle Snoop. Yeah, definitely go ahead and check this one out. If you guys have tried any recipes in this yet, let me know down in the comments because this is brand new. Anybody tried any? I really want to know. So drop it down in the comments. If you made it this far in the video, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Check this book out. Let me know if you guys are going to cook anything. I'll let y'all know in the next video. See y'all until next time. Bye.